It's just, there's just so much.
Before we had a flag and we had it so it was positioned above the tent so it would be in the camera. It made us move.
What was that?
Oh my God! He just got shot! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Fucking shit. Apparently there's been a shooting. There's been a shooting. We heard shots. We heard shots. You guys okay? Okay, love you. Be safe. Okay, be safe. Bye. Apparently there's been a shooting. I don't know who's been shot. We are here live at Utah Valley State University. There's been a shooting at the Charlie Kirk event, the TPUSA event. There has been a shooting. Everybody's evacuating. I don't know if that was shots or if that was fireworks, to be honest, but...
How are you doing, sir?
Good, how are you doing?
Were you able to see anything that happened?
I was